Do you have vaulted or cathedral ceilings in your home? Are you looking for ways to deal with cleaning them? Then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I thought I would share with you 3 of my cleaning tools that I use to deal with the high ceilings and walls in my home. So stay tuned. The first tool I want to share with you is probably my oldest tool, and it is a handled cleaner for cleaning ceiling fans. It has these 2 fuzzy brushes along here, which you can remove and wash, and you just slide them over the fan blades like that. And it has a handle on it that you can pull out. This one doesn't twist or screw back in, but you can extend it. So I am able to use this to get a ceiling fan I have up in my bonus room, which is a little high, has higher ceilings than the rest of like the bedroom areas where we have ceiling fans. So I will insert a demo of how this works right here. Here's a little tip. Sometimes the fan moves around when I'm trying to slip this over the fan blades. So I take a yardstick, you could use anything else that's long, and I push that along one side of the fan blade like so while I flip the tool over the blade. And then I just run the tool along the fan blade like so. You can see it's very simple to do, like so. And like so. And then you can see all the dirt that came off of the fan blade. Okay, so this green is kind of playing with the lighting here. You can see when I turn it this way, it's fine. When I turn it this way, it adjusts the color. So I apologize for that. I'm going to turn it around. But this is a microfiber dusting mop, and you can release the head of it to take the cloth off and launder the cloth so that you can reuse it. This is meant to take the place of like a Swiffer, so that you don't have to keep going out and buying new pads for the item every time you go through them. And we used to have a Swiffer, and I went through so many of those little cloths cleaning just my kitchen floor, I decided it wasn't worth it. But we do have hardwood floors in a lot of our house, and so this will, you can go along and just do a quick dusting if you don't want to take the time to do vacuuming at that point. You just run it along there. But the reason I'm showing you this is that you can also use this to clean your walls. And when you have high ceilings, it comes in very handy. You just reach the pole up and you can clean dust off of the flat surface of your walls so your walls stay nice and clean. You can also use this to clean along the baseboard by running it along the sideways along the edge of your baseboard like that. So I will insert a clip so you can see all of that. Now, here is my third and final item. This is my newest item. I did get this one off of Amazon. I think the ceiling fan brush someone gave to us as a gift, and the other one we've had for many, many years. I think I purchased at Target. But this one I did get off of Amazon, and this one is great. It has this head that you can remove and interchange, and I do want to get some other heads for it eventually, but This one telescopes. So I have very high ceilings in my living room. They go up about 20 feet, I think. And so this actually reaches up to the very peak of the ceiling. You just pull it out and then you twist it clockwise, righty-tighty, and then you twist it lefty-loosey to let it telescope more. So it has 3 sections that telescope out. You can see it. I can extend my arms and you can't even see where the connectors are. So I'm going to show you a video of me reaching up to the high ceiling in my living room, if I can get a good enough angle on it to show you that. So I hope you found these tips useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That way I know you like the content that I'm providing. And let me know in the comments down below if you have any of these cleaning tools or if you think you might try them out. I am not sponsored. I purchased all of these myself, or as I mentioned with the fan one, I think someone gave that to me as a gift. But if I can find similar items on Amazon, I will put a link down below for you to use. That's it for now. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. And if you are new to my channel, once again, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, so I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button in the description box down below or the icon in the corner of this video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.